The men's health clinic was established some 12 years ago. And when it started, it was really the only custom-tailored formulas for guys with bedroom health challenges, really globally. I mean, it was the first one in Australia and really was cutting edge at that time. We manage about 4,000 to 5,000 patients a month. We might be talking to a 19-year-old with stage fright. There could be, somebody in their late 20s that's scarred by watching too much porn. You might have a 85-year-old that wants to keep his relationship alive with his wife. And I mean, the list is endless. When they call us, it's very, very important that our team are empathetic, they listen, but really provide a clear possibility that there is light at the end of the tunnel.
We don't just, give someone a pill and then forget about them. We offer this solution that continues to coach and support that man throughout his journey.
We've actually had a few families literally write to us with photos with their babies in their hands saying, "Thank you, Men's Health Clinic. You're the reason why we have this child in our arm," which is the reason why we come to work with a hop and a skip in our jump, absolutely.
Our entire business model and our patient journey involves Zoho considerably. We do everything from all of our day-to-day reporting and our business management through that system.
From the moment they see our advertising to the first interaction with, say, one of our virtual assistants, everything needs to be tight and congruent with so that they receive what they expected. And Zoho really helps us deliver that and keep that nice and tight.
ASN is a business partner of ours. It's a vital connection point for our business. They've been with us for about 5 to 6 years now and really helped us with the Zoho integration journey.
So we started off with Zoho CRM. It is a very powerful product. There are various always improvements that come from Zoho. So all these new functionalities that have been introduced to make the processes more efficient, that's been critical.
Our front-end team, the ones who initially contact our patient, our senior patient coordinators, on a day-to-day basis use the CRM system for everything they need. So that's their one-stop shop, if you will. They also have access to real-time data and call volumes, how they're dealing with leads, and getting that feedback in, like I said, real time through the dashboards that are in Zoho CRM. When they want more comprehensive data at the end of the day, for example, they go back, they see how they've done throughout that day, they go into the CRM analytics. We also have a team that manages our patients. We call those performance managers. Our performance managers on a day-to-day basis go into the CRM, they interact in that space. It's where they keep all their patient files, they keep all their notes, and they have those interactions with the patients through that system. And in some cases, we have patients where we've lost interaction with them, or we've had situations where we can't get a hold of a patient and some event has transpired and we need to understand what's really happened. The audit logs in the CRM system assist us in digging through what's transpired, the events that have taken place throughout that customer journey. So we often use that as a reliable source of information to get to the bottom of an issue that we've experienced. And so what it ultimately does is plays on our ability to deliver exceptional customer service. So we internally have developed our own payment gateway as part of the CRM system in Zoho CRM.
We found that there were not many effective payment solutions out there. There's the standard Stripe, Square, etc. So we identified that opportunity over here where A, it makes the process easier for the staff to process payments, but B, it also adds a financial benefit to the customer.
So it allows patients to make payments, but also very easily and simply allows us to pull them into our CRM data.
It then enables you to choose the product you're selecting, identify who the performance manager is, who will be taking care of the patient on a monthly basis, and then put through the payment card details and payments processed, and then it feeds back the data in the CRM.
We also have a refund portal which is a great advantage for us as well. So we can refund patients their money, and we can go through a system of approvals and ensuring that we have security around all of the payments and refunds that are made throughout our CRM.
Patients over here sometimes pay on a payment plan. So every time we have to take what we call a collection, it talks directly through the payment portal to the bank and then deducts the payment and feeds the data. So to ensure that we meet all the standards for payment data handling and not storing the payment information such as card details in the CRM is critical to ensuring patients' data security.
When we look at our internal staff, so our senior patient coordinators who connect with our patients, they have an integration into a phony system which allows them to simply click a button to make a phone call out. And we experience, like any call center would, challenges with people answering the phone, whatever time of day it is. And so our people may be dialing. And the simplicity of the CRM with that integration of the phone system allows them to click a button, click next, click a button, click next, and that's as fast as they can dial anyone. So it's a great integration from a sales perspective, and it's coupled with calendar integration where our patients go in, quickly book an appointment like this with ease, and it has a funnel behind it which prompts them for reminders, makes it very convenient for our patients. But on our internal side, it also allows our team to plan their day, right? And that integration with the CRM system allows them to understand, is that a booked lead? Is it a lead that's just entered our CRM funnel? And where is this lead? How have I worked it? How has somebody else worked it in the past? And so that integration with that calendar, as well as that phone function, makes that sales rep effectively, a high efficiency performer, where they could be dialing, up to 200 or 300 patients a day and have detailed conversations with between 5 and 12 patients a day. So Men's Health Clinic is obviously building the infrastructure of its business. We're looking at expanding more globally into other regions. And with that in mind, we would certainly be expanding our reach with Zoho CRM. We continue, as we build our business too, to have more demands, more needs for systems in our business.
I personally like to respond to every single review that we get internationally. It's one of the things that I like to do because it really gives me a good feeling of what each region is doing, how they're looking after their patients. But literally sometimes I'll be welling up because, when you help a couple rekindle intimacy, the negative repercussions of losing intimacy with one's partner could be loss of house, loss of business, loss of kids moving to other areas. There's a lot of negative repercussions that can come from that. So, when we literally change people's lives and we reconnect them, it's just so wonderful.
Patient privacy is of utmost importance to us, as well as it's a requirement under the law. One of the reasons we've selected Zoho is for its ability to be in the cloud, to be protected, and to have the security functions that are built into it.
It's a bit like a Ferrari engine. If there's a spark plug missing in that engine, and of course the whole thing doesn't work and it misfires, and so every piece of the engine is very important. And what Zoho enables us to do is to connect all the teams together and provide us the tools to really deliver excellence. We think is really fantastic.